Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to paint a simple pumpkin and then how you can take that pumpkin and create a pumpkin patch. So let's get started. So pumpkins have sections where those deep grooves are in the pumpkin that create that really bulbous sectioned off look. That's where we're going to keep our white space. So keeping in mind the shape of a pumpkin when you're looking at it, the sections on the edges are going to be shorter along the bottom of the pumpkin, but a little higher at the top. The sections in the middle are going to be longer at the bottom and a little shorter at the top, and this just gives that illusion of curvature in the pumpkin. I started with yellow because I want to blend colors in to then create an orange patchy look to the pumpkin. You want to start with your lightest, brightest color and then drop in more colors as you go. Now I'm dropping in a reddish orange color, and I'm not wanting it to go everywhere because I still want the yellow to show through when it's all blended together, because that will act as part of the highlight of the pumpkin. So for the stem, I wanted it to bleed into the pumpkin a little bit. If it's too watery, it will bleed too much into the colors of the pumpkin, and so it's a little bit more pigmented. For the vines and the leaves, I did a greenish color, and I definitely wanted the brown and the green to really blend together. I also wanted to touch the green into the pumpkin to create another blending moment. And the leaves have these pokey edges, and so I just kind of follow around the shape of the leaf, trying to leave some white space and doing those little pokes on the edges. And remember that with pumpkins and their vines and their leaves, to just have fun with it, because nature is spontaneous and it doesn't have to be perfect or uniform. So now that I've shown you the basic steps to forming a pumpkin, I'm going to kind of speed through the rest of the pumpkins in our little pumpkin patch, but I'm just following the same basic steps that I showed you with the first one. So with each pumpkin, I wanted to do vines and leaves that blended into the pumpkin for that specific look. But now that everything has dried, we're going to add more vines and leaves that layer over the top of pumpkins and create a pumpkin patch feel. If you've ever grown pumpkins or seen them growing, there's lots of leaves, right? And so we don't want the leaves to overtake everything, even though in a real pumpkin patch you barely see the pumpkins. But we want quite a bit of leaves that are going to layer over the top of each other and the pumpkins. So to finish off the pumpkin patch, I wanted the leaves in the corner to kind of be trailing away. And so I flipped my paper upside down so I could get a better brush angle. I can make the strokes down, which I think makes the leaves look better. So I just wanted to show you how I did that. And there she is, all finished. We went from a super simple pumpkin to a beautiful pumpkin patch full of these easy to achieve pumpkins. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a like and follow me here on YouTube for more watercolor tips, tricks, and tutorials. I'll see you guys next time.